If you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm assuring you one thing, that before the end of this class, you are going to be able to make £157 from this site that I'm about to show you. To work on this site, the first thing we are going to do as usual is to check our IP address. So if you have been watching my videos, you know that this is always very important for us to do. So find out your IP address to be sure of your location before you move into the site. Just type, "What's my IP address?" So over here is the next thing you are going to be clicking on. So just tap on it, allow it to load. So this is the next place you are going to click. Just click for more details. So just tap on it. And over here is the details of our location. You can see where we are currently. We are in England. So that means that we are good to go right now. So we are going to go ahead right now and log into the website. But before then, please kindly note that it's very important to check if your IP address is blacklisted or not. So just tap on click to check our blacklist status. So once you are here, just scroll to be sure that everything here shows green. So if everything over here shows green, it means that your blacklist is okay to work on this site. Your IP address is not blacklisted, and therefore it's perfectly okay to work on this site. So if you discover that your IP address at any of this shows red, ash, or something like that, it means that that particular IP address is not good for you. So all you have to do is to just refresh your IP address and come back to check your blacklist. So right now we don't have any issue with this particular IP address. So we're gonna go ahead into the website and start what we are here for. So just go back to a fresh page, go to a fresh page of your browser and type Curious Cats. Curious Cats. So this is the name of the website. It's called Curious Cats. So this is the first. So this is where you're gonna click on the first pop-up which shows Curious Cats. So let's tap on it right now and allow it to load. So it says earn real money taking paid surveys. Curious Cat is a fun way to get paid for your opinion and earn extra cash in your free time. So you can make a whole lot of money like the one I already showed you by just taking surveys. So this is one of the sites that I also enjoy doing their surveys. Though I don't work here frequently, but anytime I'm free, this is one of these sites that I come into to perform one or two surveys and get paid. And if you are consistent on this website, they're going to be showing you a lot more of surveys that you will be doing and getting paid. And how frequent you are on this website also determines how seriously they are going to take your presence. So I advise you that if you want to make real money working on this website, you have to be patient and you have to be consistent and ensure that your answers are also consistent. One thing I love so much about this particular site is that your withdrawal is actually instantly. So talking about the mode of payment, it's actually PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, no problem at all. All you need to do is to watch one of my videos on how to create a PayPal account. And if you can't really see the site, just comment in the comment section of this video that you need a link to the video on how to create a PayPal account, and I will drop it for you. So another thing you should also note is that this particular site deals with accumulation of points. So for you to earn, you have to accumulate points. So some of the surveys can pay you 25 points per survey. Some can pay you higher than that if you are actually consistent on this website. So for the withdrawal, you can withdraw as low as £1, $1, $1.30, or even €1.20. So if you are in UK accessing this website, just know that you can withdraw as low as £1. This site is not like those sites where you have to accumulate something like £100, £200 before you are able to withdraw. There are sites like that their withdrawal threshold is like £50 or something like that. But for this particular site, you can withdraw as low as £1. That is one thing I love specially about this site. So 100 points actually gives you £1 or $1.30 or €1.20, depending on where you are accessing this site from. So let's just look through how to create your account on this particular website. So before we go ahead, let's just see what people are saying about this platform. So this person gave the website or the app 5 stars. So he said, fantastic app, instant PayPal payouts from as little as £1. Best quick earner app around. So the next person said, great app to make some extra cash in your free time, instant payouts and new surveys every day. So all you have to do right now is just to scroll up, just scroll up. So if you are using an Android phone, so you can always make use of the Play Store here, or you are an iOS user, so you can also download this app through your App Store. So for Google Play users, if you have this Google Play in your smartphone, just go ahead and tap on this Google Play. So once you tap on it, it's going to take you directly into your Play Store where you can be able to download this app. And if you don't want to download it directly from this website, you can just go into your browser, into your Play Store, and type Curious Survey, and you click on download. So guys, after downloading, this is the interface of the Curious Cats app, and if you look up there, is that's the amount you have made so far from taking your surveys. So if you look here, you see the amount you are going to be paid, how many points you receive at the end of each survey. So once you click into a survey, you'll be shown details for length of surveys, and also in the top left is the drop down menu where you will find the cash out, transactions and settings options. So in the settings option, you have the option to set up your PayPal, set the notifications, and do so many other things. In the top right corner, you can see your available cash out balance, and if you click on it, you will be able to process your withdrawal. The middle tab shows your pending payouts for previous surveys you have completed. The tick or final tab shows the completed surveys, and surveys you did not qualify for will also be shown over here. And finally, if you have issues or concerns, we have a support group where you can reach out to us to air your questions and get answers to them. And I want you to know that in Curious Cat, the surveys are very easy to do, and you can earn so much. You can earn so much from this particular app. So if you look at this payment proof, you see that it's actually from Curious Cat. So let's go ahead and do a live withdrawal. So with this app, you can earn as much as you want per day. So let's go ahead and withdraw just 10 points out of our points for me to show you that this app is really working. So we are done. Let's just refresh. Can you see that? Can you see that? So this app is really working, guys. Go ahead and load